Hey, what's up, bimbos with brimbos? I hope everyone is doing good mentally, physically, and mechanically. So today we are going to be replacing these old, ugly, stock, moisture-filled headlights with these new panty dropper Mr. Steal Yo Girl headlights. So if you don't know already, I'm offended, but I have a 2006 Subaru Sti and I ordered headlights from Spyder, so I'm going to do a little quick how-to, install them, and show you guys, and yeah, make this Subaru look sexy as fuck. Alright, so first we have to remove the bumper. So there are 6 tabs right here in the bumper that you have to take off. I don't have to take those off because it's not even connected. Next, we have to undo these tabs, but mine are broken, so I don't have to. Alright, so now we are going to take 10mm and unscrew the headlights. I think there's one down here too. Yep. Bam. Bam, bam. So there's 2 more right I did it! Alright, so you have to unplug these things, and I'm having quite the time. Ow! I cut my finger open doing headlights. Can you please just let go? Alright, we are back with the battle wound covered. Just call this bimbos with battle wounds. Ooh, you gotta hear that click. That's when you know it's good. Huh. That is not the same plug. Alright, don't panic. Alright, so I went inside, had a bagel, some chocolate milk, and now I am ready to calmly explain. So, once you take, it's so bright, the headlights out, you need to take this thingy, I don't know the name, but this thingy and the bulb out from the other one. And then this wire is gonna connect into this, which you have to take off the other one as well. This is the daytime running light. Woo! This is daytime running light and headlight. And this is brights. Oh! Yeah! Okay guys, that is it. I am so in love with my car all over again. I hope you guys like it too. If you like this video, please like it, comment, share, tell your friends, tell your bimbos, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell everybody. Look at my new headlights. They're so cute. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!